Dunlop conveyor belts are the best in the world. This is achieved by their high-quality manufacturing processes and a unique understanding of the belt's final use, enabling them to construct products that simply outlast all others. Belts for different uses have alternative production methods, but here is a general overview of the core process. It is simply quality in the making. This is Dunlop Conveyor Belting's European head office in Drachten in the Netherlands. It is the manufacturing centre for the production of its world-beating conveyor belt products. Each belt has a specific recipe, and the process starts in two areas of the factory. In one, the raw materials are hand-selected to a computerized formula. At the same time, chemicals are carefully weighed and measured out, and oils and carbon black are added automatically inside the machine to form the base mixture. The batch is then heated and mixed coarsely. After a calculated time, the mixture is dropped onto a rolling mill and then further kneaded until a soft, pliable consistency is achieved. When complete, it is hung like drapes to cool down, and a soap-like solution is applied to prevent the surfaces from sticking to one another. Each batch is then labelled, and a sample is sent to the laboratory for testing. It's here where Dunlop's high standards can be seen in practice, as every batch produced is tested. Only when the batch quality is approved is it released for further processing. Next, it moves on to the calendaring process. This is where the belt begins to take on its durable form, as various fabrics or build-up carcasses are mated with the raw unvulcanized material. The rubber is introduced from what is called the nip, where it is spread as a film onto the rolling mill. Various fabrics are then fed through the nip, where the rubber is compressed directly onto them. This layering process can happen several times depending on the construction of the final Dunlop product. To do this, some of the fabrics are calendared with one or two sides of rubber, allowing the additional strengthening layers to be added. Once the chosen grade thickness is achieved, the calendared belt moves forward onto the stationary presses or onto a rotocure press. The belt is pulled into the press from one side under tension, and temperatures of 150 degrees and pressures of up to 30 bar are applied as each section of the belt is finally vulcanized. The Dunlop profiled belts are pressed during the vulcanizing process using an additional mould plate. Unlike Dunlop's competitors who fill the mould profiles by hand, this exacting automated process enables chevron profiles as high as 32mm due to a specially developed rubber compound. This results in additional strength in the raised profile, giving a longer belt life. The manufactured belt moves on to quality control, where every metre is inspected thoroughly before finally heading out to dispatch to a customer. But even at this stage, a guarantee of quality is maintained, as samples of the completed belt are often taken again for further tolerance and durability testing. Dunlop make belts to specific customer order, but continue to build an impressive and extensive stock, enabling them to respond quickly to their customers, often dispatching the same day. Stock belts are usually produced in 2-metre widths, but can be cut to specific sizes and lengths to customers' individual requirements on our slitting machine. This machine is unique as it cuts the belt and reseals the edges in a single machine process. For customers who want their belt made endless, we provide this service in-house, where splicing of a custom-made belt is still done precisely by hand. Dunlop has the people and the production experience like no other belt manufacturer. but it is quality that is the key ingredient to the Dunlop range of products. From the first production process to the final dispatch, it ensures that Dunlop remains the world's #1 partner in conveyor belting.